G'day everybody, it is Matt here, and today I have got the StarTech USB 3 to Dual HDMI Adapter. And this adapter is meant to give you two HDMI signals out of a USB 3 cable. So this means you don't need to have a graphics card and those sockets coming out of your computer in order to have multiple displays. Instead, this adapter does have a really basic graphics card in it, which is able to generate those two signals. Of course, it's only intended for basic office use, nothing high intensity, but it does let you get those two signals out of a laptop that may only have one HDMI output or even one graphics output in general. So, looking inside the box here, we have got the adapter itself and our quick start guide. So that's it. And we can see here we have two HDMI outputs here. Now this one supports 4K. It does say on the just below the adapter here 4K HDMI, and this side is just HDMI. We also have a little vent here because remember, this does have a basic GPU in it, so it does need to be able to cool itself down. It has the potential to get quite hot. As you might have guessed, that means this one supports a 4K signal for a 4K screen out of this HDMI port, and this one supports up to 1080p. So both ports are capable of a signal of 1920 by 1200, which is just a little bit bigger than a full HD signal. That is it. That is the StarTech USB 3 to Dual HDMI adapter. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course, hit that like button. Make sure you also subscribe because I'm going to do another video on this one and how to actually connect it up to a computer, how to install it and get it all working and so on. So make sure you subscribe so you get notified when that one comes out as well. So that's it for me for today. Have an awesome one and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.